2004 SV650. It's a liquid-cooled 73 horsepower V-twin. Is for sale. Yeah, so this particular one I've got here that I'm selling. It's got upgraded brakes. We've got braided HEL brake lines, MTX discs, new rotor on the back, new brake pads, a brand new heavy duty radiator for long rides. Very clean looking bike. Rear camera stays on. We'll go for a ride and go and get some fuel. Got another bike there which will be for sale soon. The SV650RL, not an ER6N, even though they're basically the same. Yeah, so they're a beautiful sounding bike. The V-twin, or the L-twin, as you'll hear it referred to. It's a nice cool crisp morning this morning. There we go, maybe you can hear me a little bit better now that I've got my visor down. Really talky bikes. As far as I know, I think I mentioned before, they're I think 73 odd horsepower. The actual power delivery, very smooth right the way through the range. What they call a flat torque curve. Extremely rider friendly bike. If you're out for something for a daily commute, let alone a cruiser, but this thing would be absolutely amazing to commute to just about anywhere you wanted to go. I'm a little bit sorry to be selling it, but can't keep all of them. For a 650 it sounds fantastic. Hell of a lot better than the last parallel twin that I had, which was a Ninja, I think, which Sounded a little bit like a vacuum cleaner compared to this. We'll see whether or not they make me take my helmet off. I can't see the difference between somebody coming in here with a baseball cap and dark sunglasses. Are they going to make me take it off? Yep, what a bunch of dickheads.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Wankers. But they seem like nice guys. Yeah, definitely a really nice sounding motorcycle. What a beautiful day. I think I might, there's a dog over there taking a shit on the grass. I think I might get out on the GSXR a little bit later when the cafe opens and go and have some breakfast. Betty.